Hello everyone, today we're going to be calculating Gan Octave resistance level from a low. Previously our video, the one we did was, our previous training was on how to calculate various support level from the Gan Octave techniques from a high. So today we are going to be calculating the possible resistance level from a low stored by Gan using the Gan Octave techniques. So we're using the GBP USD chart, using 15 minutes chart, but it works on I think 1 hour, 15 minutes, 5 minutes for daily trade basically. And I'm using my phone to do it so that those that are trading with their phone can actually use it, and those with their PC can actually use it to do trade. In our chart here, the low of GBP USD that happened on the 6th of July was 1.18752. 1.18752 as indicated here by my horizontal line. I'm not going to consider the 2. The 2 is the prepared value. I'm going to remove it. Then I'm going to remove my decimal point. Later I'll bring back my decimal point. But then the value now that we use to calculate will now be 11875 instead of 1.18752. We have removed the 2 and we have removed the decimal point. Now let's go to our calculator. I have my calculator. Okay, this is my calculator. I'm going to use this. I'm bringing the number 11875. I'll add 0.125. This was actually the octave value of 1. Then I'll raise it up by raised to power 2. What I actually did, what the calculation here is you root the value of 11875, then to that you add 0.125, which will give you the nearest resistance level. You can call it R1. Then you raise it to power 2. Then you now have 11902.25. This value is now your nearest resistance level, which is the R1 nearest resistance level. Let's see where it's in there. I'll indicate it with my horizontal line. I'll bring in my remember I've brought back my decimal point, so now be 1.19022. I can put that 5. Okay, done. Now this is the first resistance level from this low. Now we are going to get the second resistance level, which I'll call R2, R3, and so on. Let's see where it's coming. Now I have brought in all my level. The first is the R1, the R2, the R3, the arrow 4, and so on. They are of equal level, and the arrow 2 is gotten from increasing that 0.125 to now become, if you are adding another 0.125 to the first 0.125, which will give you the second level, to now be 0.25 to the power 2. Now this is the figure of the second level. The third level will now be 0.375, I think so. Yeah. Yeah, this is the third level. So that's it. So let's see how the market vibrated, or the candles vibrated around these levels. Now if you look at it, got to this level, came down. This is a resistance level, came down to, when it breaks a resistance level, the resistance level becomes support. This is not a support level. See how the market respected those levels. See how it respected it. It breaks it, it will go touch the next. When it was coming down, you see how it rested on the level. So that's it. Let's look at it in a 1 hour chart. So you can see how it vibrated around those levels. And then let me show you a little secret that I think will help you. When the market gets a significant low, the least it will vibrate before it may get a reasonable retracement is around the Gan Octave value. Next, we are going to check the measured move of each level now. This is the average distance covered by octave. Now let's see it had, and let's see, this will now be double of it. Like GBP USD has some good volatility, normally vibrates in this range. This is a measured move of GBP USD, and if it doesn't, the time if it wants to fail, half, which is one level of this. So I mean half of that double to look like this. Now at every reasonable resistance, you can see the least it came from here to here and went back. Now you see the resistance level for going up. Then if it's trending, the least it will go, the GBP USD, every trade has their vibrating pattern. But I discovered that the least the GBP USD could go, if it's trending, it goes to two of this. Let's see. See the first measured move. You see, it was two, gave you two level Gan value. So when it came down exactly two. You can see it from this place to this place. So it went up again, gave you exactly two before it came down. Now so how it came from this level, now got to this place before it came down. I believe it's, see how interesting it is. See, give it two from this level again, came, give it two from this level, came, gave it two, even from the high, came and gave you two. So you see, sometimes what I do is despite getting all these major levels, I know, yeah, I'm getting this major level from this low. If I'm scalping the market, whenever I see it breaks, I might, okay, whenever it breaks the resistance value, or when it comes here and I see price action in any of them, in any of these lines within this range, whenever I see price action in them, I enter the trade and scalp it by using my measured move, which is the Gan value of 2. I'll just use it from the low, and then when we get to this place, I know that I'm expecting a maximum reversal point. I'll leave the trade, I'll scalp my profit, and that's it. So, and if you tend to look at it, you see that this value is around 54 pip, here about 54, around 54 pip. So pips, so that's two. But if it's coming down, the least most time it will go is one of the Gan value, one to go. See, so it's coming down, so you can as well use this. You're getting like what's the range? Around 28 pips. So when you know that the market can go, let's check it in 5 minutes chart and see it in 5 minutes chart. So see, from this top here, it has already given us one of these. From the top, it has already given us one of these. Let's see. So from here, it has given us one. So from here, give us one. From here, give us one. Before it came up, hit this place, and give us another one. So that's it. I believe if you find the video interesting, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share the video for others to gain from it. This video is very valuable, and I painstakingly discovered it from many books or many research. Have a nice day.